Welcome to day 4. In today's lesson, we shall have 5 words. The first word is abidha. Abidha. Abidha means exquisitely done. For example, when you're building a house and you do it very nicely, you say olose abidha. Abidha might also mean precise and to the point. So when something is precise and to the point, you say abidha. Abidha can also be used when you're translating a language or speaking a foreign language fluently. So when you say you're speaking Luo fluently, you say awacho do Luo abidha. Number 2, abiero. Abiero. Abiero is a feminine name given to one whose mother experienced issues with the placenta during the birth. It comes from the word biero. Biero. Biero is a placenta. Biero. Abiero. Abiero. Now, if it's a boy, you call it obiero. Abila. Abila. A small hut where the man of the home will eat his meals in the evening and have friends over for a chat. It also refers to a sleeping hut, and some Luos equate it to a cow pen, especially where there was no hut for the man of the home. Abila. 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 Abila is a sample of a whole food. A sample of food, that is abila. Sample of food, abila. Abimbo or obimbo. Abimbo or obimbo. Obimbo. That is a species of the red sweet potato. Abimbo or obimbo. And that's all for the day. See you tomorrow in day 5.